In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Inventor Fusion's Rib tool. I've already got a solid in the graphic area. Let's begin our work by inserting a sketch. I'll right-click on the YZ plane, or YZ plane, and select New Sketch. Let's use the View cube to take a right view. Now I'm going to create a section view. Press F7. I'll use the YZ plane to create the section, and I'll select it right from the browser. Let me take a home or isometric view. I can flip the direction by clicking this tool and click OK to accept the section. Now here I'm going to drop a simple line. Second point, right-click, OK. This is the profile I'm going to use to create the rib. And as you may have noticed, my line doesn't intersect with the solid. That's okay. Inventor Fusion will still be able to create the rib. What's important is that the projection of the line intersects with the solid. In other words, when I extend this line, it needs to intersect or touch the solid. Otherwise, Fusion won't be able to calculate the rib and we'll just get an error message. Let's stop the sketch. By the way, when you create a section view, Fusion creates a sections folder for you. So all of your section views will be stored in this folder. You can also create section views using the ribbon and various buttons. I've just gone to the View tab, View, Visual Styles panel, and here's the Section tool. Okay, back to the Home tab. Let's activate the Rib tool now. First, we select the profile that Fusion should use to create the rib. And let's set a thickness for the rib, let's say 2 millimeters. I've just entered it in the input field. We see the preview in the graphic area. But if you don't see the preview, select 2 Next here. Maybe you see something like this. Let's switch to 2 Next. This button here gives us some direction options. We can have a symmetric rib or a one-direction rib. Let's go back to symmetric. We can use this button to flip the depth direction. But for my example, this is obviously the wrong direction, so let's restore, and let's click OK to accept our rib. This concludes our tutorial about using the Rib tool in Fusion.